that didn't take long at all. Just weeks after teasing the Kia PV5 pop-up camper, Sussex Campervans has pulled the covers off the real thing. And it actually looks better than the original concept. What you're getting here is a compact electric campervan that manages to pack in sleeping, cooking, dining, and even a toilet, all while proving it can go serious distance, including a 430-mile run on a single charge under the right conditions. At first glance, you might expect something similar to Sussex's earlier electric camper builds, but this one feels like a clear step up. The layout sticks to a familiar side kitchen and folding rear bench design, but everything about it feels more refined and modern. Sussex calls it a classic layout reimagined for today, and that description fits perfectly. Inside, the biggest change is the design. Instead of the plain white interior seen in older models, this one brings in warm bamboo-style finishes, curved edges, and a much more premium feel overall. It's a small space, but it feels far more inviting and thoughtfully put together. One of the smartest things here is how Sussex uses the PV5's electric platform. The van's 71 kilowatt-hour battery powers appliances like the dual induction cooktops and microwave, which means less bulky hardware inside. That frees up room for storage, and there's plenty of it. Overhead cabinets, a shoe cupboard, and even a tall wardrobe at the back with a clever split-door design. The kitchen setup is surprisingly capable for a van this size. You get a wider countertop, 2 induction hobs, a large oval sink, and even space for extras like an air fryer. There's also a 50-liter fridge/freezer and an under-counter microwave. It's designed so you can cook comfortably inside, but it gets even better when you slide open the side door. The cooktop and sink can be used from outside, turning the van into a mini outdoor kitchen. The sink even has a pull-out faucet, so you can rinse off gear, muddy shoes, or even a pet. When it's time to sleep, the rear bench quickly transforms into a bed in about 6 seconds. It's a simple fold-down setup that turns into a double bed, and you can also adjust it into a lounge position facing out the back. Perfect for relaxing with a view. The pop-up roof adds standing room inside, though it doesn't look like there's an extra bed up top, likely because of the van's compact size. Even though it's a small camper, Sussex has made sure it's fully functional. It runs completely gas-free, relying on the main EV battery and a secondary LFP battery for 12-volt systems like lighting. There's no built-in bathroom, but a portable cassette toilet is neatly tucked away under the rear bench when you need it. Other nice touches include double-glazed windows with built-in mosquito screens and blinds, plus a swivel front passenger seat to open up the living space even more. As for performance, while that 430-mile drive grabbed headlines, the official WLTP range sits at around 258 miles, which is still solid for an electric camper. Fast charging from 10 to 80% takes about 30 minutes, making it practical for longer trips with quick stops along the way. Pricing starts at £68,995, and both Kia and Sussex back the van with 7-year warranties, which adds a bit of peace of mind if you're thinking about taking this on serious adventures. Overall, this feels like a glimpse into where compact camper vans are headed: electric, efficient, and surprisingly well-equipped without sacrificing comfort.